Artificial intelligence is advancing at an astonishing rate, revolutionizing industries, reshaping societal norms, and sparking discussions about its broader implications. From the groundbreaking Gemini 2.0 by Google to OpenAI's innovative projects, the landscape of AI is evolving in ways that are transforming the economy, society, and how we interact with technology. This comprehensive overview delves into the latest developments, offering insights into what these advancements mean for individuals and industries alike. AI's unprecedented growth and potential. AI's capabilities continue to expand, from tools that simplify creative design and enhance online shopping experiences to models solving previously insurmountable problems. This rapid innovation may feel overwhelming, but it unlocks unprecedented opportunities, many of which are already tangible. Enhanced reasoning models. AI systems are excelling in reasoning and problem-solving, with models like DeepSeek R1 Mini setting new standards in tackling complex challenges. These advanced frameworks leverage autonomous operations to address real-world issues efficiently. The rise of agentic frameworks allows these systems to function with minimal human intervention, enabling them to handle sophisticated tasks independently. As reasoning models evolve, precise evaluation metrics become essential to measure and refine their performance, ensuring adaptability to real-world applications. Google Gemini 2.0. Google's much-anticipated Gemini 2.0 is expected to redefine AI capabilities. Rumored for release in December, this advanced model aims to outperform its competitors, particularly OpenAI, across various benchmarks. This competition is more than a rivalry. It propels innovation, pushing the boundaries of natural language understanding, decision-making, and more. If successful, Gemini 2.0 could signify a major turning point in AI's evolution, showcasing what next-generation systems can achieve. OpenAI's pioneering projects. OpenAI is exploring new frontiers, including an AI-powered web browser designed to optimize search experiences across domains like travel, food, and retail. By integrating intelligent search capabilities and personalizing user interactions, OpenAI seeks to simplify online experiences. This browser could deliver tailored recommendations, streamline digital navigation, and even anticipate user needs. These advancements exemplify how AI is becoming a seamless part of daily life, transforming the way we interact with technology. AI's role in e-commerce and digital interaction. AI is reshaping how consumers shop and search online, introducing personalized and efficient tools. Models like Perplexity Pro Search offer tailored shopping experiences, while vision-based AI systems identify products with specific attributes through image recognition. These technologies empower consumers to make informed decisions with ease, saving time and enhancing convenience. This shift reflects a growing trend of hyper-personalized digital interactions, redefining the consumer-platform relationship. The next phase in AI development. The AI industry is transitioning from scaling capabilities to focusing on specialized applications and reasoning. Between 2018 and 2024, efforts have centered on enhancing AI's scope, but future advancements will prioritize innovation in domain-specific tools and problem-solving. Experts predict that superintelligent AI systems, which exceed human intelligence, could emerge within 6 years. This next phase promises to tackle complex scientific challenges and automate intricate processes, signaling a transformative era for industries and human capabilities. AI agents and automation. AI-powered agents, such as Runa H, are revolutionizing productivity by automating repetitive tasks and navigating the web autonomously. These systems improve efficiency, but face challenges like ensuring reliability and mitigating hallucinations, errors in AI outputs. Companies are refining agentic workflows to create dependable tools, enabling applications in customer service, logistics, and beyond. AI's rapid evolution presents unparalleled opportunities for discovery and transformation, redefining possibilities across every domain. As we stand at the brink of this new era, understanding and harnessing its potential will shape the future. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.